Good morning, students. Welcome to your English OP class. Dear students, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Dear students, open book page number 59. Book page number 59. Here's the Unit 11, Lesson 3, W words and NG words. Dear students, exercise number A is draw a line to match the picture to the word. Here are the different pictures. We have to do match the picture to the word. Let's match. Here is the first word, tree. Tree. It's already matched with its picture. Tree. It's a picture of tree. What's this? It's a sheep. Which one is sheep? Sheep, bee, ring, king. It's the spell of sheep. Let's match sheep. It's a bee. Bee. Where is bee? Find where's the bee. Here's the bee. Match the bee with its spell. Okay, he is king. He is king. Match the picture with its spell. It's a cycle. And it's a spell of drink. Drink. Whose sound is string? Cycle's sound is drink. Yes. Now, exercise number B is use the new words to make sentences about these pictures. Number 1 is the dash has a bicycle. The dash has a bicycle. His bicycle goes dash. Write here the words. The dash has a cycle. Who has a cycle? Here's the king. King has a cycle. Write here the spell of king. K-I-N-G, king. The king has a bicycle. His bicycle goes tring, tring. His bicycle goes tring. Write here the spell of tring. Number 2 is oh dear, there's a what's there? There's the bee. What's there? There's the bee. Here's the bee. Look here, kids. What's there? Here's the bee. Bee. Write here the spell of bee. Oh dear, there's the bee. B-double-E, bee. Number 3 is the king rides into a tree. The king rides into a tree. Students, these are the double E and NG words. The king rides into a tree. Here's the king. लास्ट में जो है वो NG है. Look here, tring, B-double-E, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Okay, kids. Now come to exercise C. Read the words. Draw a line from the word to the correct picture. Number 1 is no vans. No vans. No vans. Okay, here's the van and no vans. पेट्रोल. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर जो है वो कौन सी पिक्चर में से हमें जो है वो पेट्रोल मिलता है? दिस वन. बस स्टॉप. It's already matched. Exit. It's the picture of exit. Now kids, it's your turn to complete book page number 59. Allah Hafiz.